Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can unsend or delete the messages on the Messenger app. For that, just open the Messenger app and make sure you have logged in the Messenger app. Then from the top you can see the search bar, just tap on it. Then you can search any username you would like to send message or you have sent message to. Then go back from the arrow sign at the top left corner. Then tap on any user you like to have conversation or you want to delete the message of that conversation. You can tap on the message you would like to delete, just tap on it and here you will see the three dotted line. Just tap on the more option. From there you can just forward, bump or remove option is given here. Just tap on the remove. Then tap on the Unsend option here. Then tap on the OK. Then your message will be deleted or unsent on Messenger. So this was it guys. If you like this video then give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.